Hi, my name is Karen May de la Fuente, and I am a ABMA student in Asia Pacific College, and I'm here to do my blog. I'm going to talk about my favorite boy band, and that is Super Junior. Super Junior is a boy group from South Korea formed by SM Entertainment in 2005. With a total of 13 members, they are the largest boy band in the world. The group consists of Lee Chuk, Hichul, Hanggeng, Yisung, Kangin, Shindong, Sungmin, Yunhyuk, Donghae, Shuwon, Raywook, Kibum, and Kyuhyun. The only Chinese member, Hanggeng, was chosen from the 3,000 applicants via auditions held in China by SM Entertainment in 2001. As of 2010, only 10 members are active due to Hanggeng's lawsuit against SM Entertainment, Kang's leave of absence for mandatory military service, and Kibum's pursuit of an acting career. However, the remaining members have insisted that they are still part of the group. Super Junior has released and contributed up in 20 different kinds of records with varying degrees of success. Over the years, they have been divided into smaller subgroups, simultaneously targeting different music industries and audience. Largely due to Super Junior's success as entertainers, other Korean entertainment management began to train their music groups in other areas of entertainment, such as acting and hosting. In addition to their commercial success, Super Junior has earned 7 music awards from Mnet Asian Music Awards, 11 from the Golden Disc Awards, and is the second singing group to win Favorite Artist Korea at the 2008 MTV Asia Awards after JTL in 2003. I love Super Junior because they have so many members with different talents. All their singles and albums reached to number one in any music stations in South Korea, all over Asia. They are the first boy group from South Korea have toured successfully all over Asia. They are not just good in singing and dancing, but also being an actor, model, radio DJs, and comedians. Unlike any other group, Super Junior is more like a family. They treat each other like they are real brothers. Super Junior KRY established in November 2006 as a trio formed by Kyuhyun, Raywook, and Yisung, which makes up KRY in the title of the group. The company discovered that these three members developed a particular personal and subsequent fan base that was separate from the rest of the group, and how they also had similar musical qualities. They therefore grouped these three members together to perform particular songs to target a more mature audience. Being amongst the most vocally powerful members of the group, Super Junior KRY are created to singing mournful R&B style ballads, a style that has proven very popular in recent years through all to stagnation in the style's development in causing it to lose its once fresh evacuate power. Super Junior KRY first official performance was on November 5, 2006 on KBS Music Bank performing The One I Love. They have participated in the original soundtrack of the TVN drama Heina with a total of 3 tracks, including the main theme. The trio also contributed tracks into additional original soundtracks, one track in both the soundtracks of Snowflower and Billie Jean Look at Me. Unlike Super Junior's other subunit, Super Junior KRY has not officially released single or album and only participated in collaboration albums and original soundtracks. However, a new album is expected from KRY in the future. On August 1, 2010, Super Junior KRY had a concert of their very own in Japan, with Donghae and Sungmin as guests. Super Junior Super Junior T is the second official subunit of Korean boy band Super Junior. They are the first idol group known in capitalizing through music, the oldest of Korean pop music. Super Junior T consists of Super Junior members Lee Chuk, Hichul, Kangin, Shindong, Sungmin, and Yunhyuk. Super Junior T has released only one single in the short span of their career, before they were announced to be unhit in 2008. The single Rokuko was Korea's 16th best-selling record and the number one best-selling single of 2007. According to the Music Industry Association of Korea, in November 2008, the subgroup returned with a debut in the Japanese music industry, releasing the Japanese version of Rokugo. Super Junior M, often referred to as SJM, is the third official subunit of Korean boy band Super Junior. They are the first international music group in the Chinese music industry to have members of both Chinese and Korean descent, and are also the first group produced by Korea's CIT, Cultural Technology Organization, created through a comprehensive localization strategy. Super Junior M consists of five members. Super Junior members Hanggang, Siwon, Donghae, Rewok, and Kyuhyun. Henry Lau and Zumi are only two members in the group whom are not part of Super Junior. As of 2010, however, Super Junior M has temporarily halted all activities due to Hanggang's ongoing lawsuit against SM Entertainment. Super Junior H is the fourth official subunit of Korean boy band Super Junior. Super Junior Happy contains six Super Junior members: Lee Chuk, Yisung, Kangin, Shindong, Sungmin, and Yoonwoo.